Hey guys, welcome again in my new and very most important video. As you can see that my friend, I have lots of Android smartphone and all smartphone has been locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. So in this video, I can show you have any Android smartphone and you want to unlock your Android smartphone in just only 5 minutes without any time wasting, without any data loss and without any using any kind of computer system and software. So this video is especially made for you and you have to watch this video properly till the end, and only then you will be able to unlock your Android smartphone in just only few steps. So let's start this video without any time wasting. So as you see here, I have lots of Android smartphone. So I pick a random smartphone to show you how can you unlock your Android smartphone. So this smartphone is Vivo, but you have any smartphone, you have to use this unlocking method to sorry for that, to your locked smartphone. So first of all, you have to full battery charge of your smartphone at least 25 to 35%. After that, you have to remove or eject your SIM card and memory card from your Android device. Okay, after that your phone is fully ready to unlocking your handset. So first of all, you have to put your smartphone in power off mode, and you have to put your power off smartphone to power off, and I am going to turn off this smartphone, and this is done. Okay, this handset has to be has been switched off. After that, you have to start your hard reset mode on your Android smartphone, and for that you have to put your smartphone in hard reset mode, and for that you have to click power button and volume down button here for the same time and wait for a new page, and press and hold for a few seconds like that, and release and press power button and volume button up on the same time continuously, and press and hold for the few seconds. After that, your smartphone is going to hard reset mode, and my friends, you can see that your handset is on hard reset mode. This is fast boot mode, and you have to put your smartphone in recovery mode, and for that you have to use your volume button to drag down and select power button to select this. Okay, after that your handset is ready to using unlocking method. So wait for a while, and this step is very important for you, because of that if you want your smartphone to be unlocked. Okay, and you can see that this is the main engineer mode page, means recovery page, and this page is able to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so you have to click on the first option, this is install software, and click the networking update software. After that you have to click to OK button here and wait for a second. Because of that your handset is going to resetting mode about Google FRP code. So you have to wait for this, and this is very most important step of your smartphone. After that you can see that download and retain install retain data, and you have to click this, and after that scanning Wi-Fi is started. So you have to give your Wi-Fi to this smartphone. Okay, and I have a Wi-Fi option available, so I am going to put the password here, and click done. After that this smartphone is connecting to Wi-Fi, and after connecting Wi-Fi we have successfully completed a step here like that. After that you have to put your smartphone in back here and click restart here. This process is very important if you want your handset has to be activated. and your smartphone is restarted. After that, you have to enter a random password here. If can't unlock, click to emergency call option here. Okay, and after that I am giving you a secret code to bypass your Google FRP code, and this is very important for you. 303 star 561 69 star 5050 and hash, and you have to take a screenshot for this code or write down this code. After that you have to call this code for once only, and after that you have to click to OK button here. Again you have to click back here and use 5 times continuously of random password here. If your smartphone will be unlocked, then don't worry, but if you can't unlock your smartphone, this page will come on your mobile screen. So click to forget option here, and you can see that there are 2 options. Okay, there are 2 options, and you have to enter first answer here, and you have to use a secret code of Google FRP code. So I am going to use this code star 2 and hash on the first question answer, and on the second question you have to use this code star 813 and hash. After that you have to click to verify here and wait for a few seconds here, and you can see that, my friends, your handset is unlocked, and you can choose your new password pattern here. After that I am going to use none now for that, and you can see that your Android smartphone is unlocked without any using software and computer. So this way you can unlock any Android smartphone at your home at free of cost. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.